Hey everyone, welcome to another painting video. Unfortunately, I lost the spray paint portion of this video. I had held on to the footage for quite a while. As you may have noticed, I haven't posted it in quite some time. Some life stuff came up and, I just had to put everything on hold and deal with it. So anyways, I'm back doing paintings and doing videos again, and I actually have a painting ready to go right now, and I needed to make room on my phone, so this is me trying to clear up the space on my phone so I can record the next video. So as you can see, I went with doing a whole bunch of little puddles as opposed to one big puddle. I really wanted to illustrate, or I guess show off, the lines and movement through detail. And I think that it actually worked out really well, except for the fact that I still haven't figured out how to really pour this on the canvas. I really loved all those lines right at the beginning there, but it still had way too far to travel down the canvas, and by the time the paint got to where I wanted it to be, the details that I originally loved were lost at the bottom. They just kind of all stretched out, and I didn't even put enough paint in the tray. I had to go back for a second round, and all my lovely lines and stuff just kind of disappeared on me. I mean, I have to say, I am pretty happy with the end result of this, but it's still just not quite there yet. I mean, the one good thing about this was that it propped up my canvas well this time, so there wasn't any juggling or anything, trying to keep it up and trying to pour the paint at the same time. So at least I learned something from the last one, but I think that the next time I do this, I'm probably going to start a little bit closer to my target, just so the paint doesn't have as far to go. I am a little concerned that if it's too thick, it will not dry properly, but I don't know. We'll have to see. I mean, it's all about playing with this and experimenting and seeing what works and what doesn't work. Luckily, all my experiments with this so far have been of moderate success. I've been pretty thrilled with my results, so much so that I'm kind of branching out a bit. I can't wait for you guys to see the next one. I'm really hoping that it turns out well. It's definitely going to be pretty interesting. I mean, I don't really have much else to say about this one. I mean, the blue background is really pretty, and I put a lot of blue and turquoises into my trays. So I thought the colors really complemented each other pretty well. I've kind of given up on making my planets perfect when I spray paint them. So I just kind of get the general shape of them, and then after I pop the cups off, I'm painting in my shadows and everything else. And that turns out that is a lot easier to do. I'm much more skilled with the paintbrush than I am with spray paint. So going into this close-up, I'd like to do a little bit of shameless self-promotion. I've become involved with a company called Gallea. Their website is gallea.ca. I'll drop the link in the description below. So basically, they're this online art gallery, and they help facilitate sales and help artists get connected with local establishments so they can get their art up. And I've actually gotten into a couple of establishments around town, and I've been really happy with it. So they're an awesome company. I'm hoping that you'll go check me out. If you do, you might notice that there's a little heart in the bottom right corner of all the pictures of the paintings. If you click on that, that just increases my visibility on the website. So if you like a painting, please click on that little heart thing for me, and that'd be super awesome. I'd be most appreciative. Anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this painting and this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.